In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sliders in Figma. Start by opening your design so you have a canvas to work on. We'll build a simple clean slider with a track and a handle. Then make it interactive using Smart Animate. First, draw the track. Create a rectangle that's 200 by 8 pixels. This will be the background of the slider. Next, draw the handle as a perfect circle, 20 by 20 pixels. Place it near the track for now. A tip here, keep your sizing consistent, so the animation feels smooth later. Now, select the rectangle and duplicate it. Change the color of the duplicate to represent the filled portion of the slider. While the original can stay as your neutral track color. Drag the colored rectangle so it starts at the left edge of the track, and place the circle so it sits at the left end as well. This gives you the initial state of the slider. Empty to the right, filled from the left up to the handle. Duplicate this whole setup to create the second state. In the duplicate, drag the colored rectangle so it extends toward the right end of the track. And move the circle to the right edge to match. Now you have two visual states, handle on the left and handle on the right, each with a corresponding fill. Group each state individually. One group contains the left position state, and the other contains the right position state. With both groups selected, create multiple components. Figma will place them into a component set, which is perfect for building interactive variants. Switch to the Prototype tab. In the first group's variant, click the handle and drag the blue prototype arrow to the second group's variant. Set the trigger to on drag and choose Smart Animate with an ease out curve at around 300 to 500 milliseconds. This gives the handle and fill a smooth motion. Now create a second connection from the right position variant back to the left position variant. Again using on drag with the same Smart Animate settings. This lets users drag in either direction. Draw a frame for your mockup, then open the Assets panel and drag in your new slider component. Click Preview to launch the prototype. In the prototype settings, choose Full Screen for a clean presentation. Now, click and drag the circle forward and backward to see the slider animate between the two states. And that's it. You've built an interactive slider in Figma using simple shapes, grouping, components, and Smart Animate. Thanks for watching.